Hello, today I want to show you some tricks and life hacks how to save your battery. Here's now the iPhone. It doesn't matter which iPhone you have, especially the older one where the battery is only 80-90%. So it's very simple, okay? The first step is you go to setting. You go to battery, right? Battery. And important here that you say low power mode. When you activate the low power mode, it will save a lot of battery. All the background features will be there, but it will not be always go to online and going to check if there is an update every second, okay? That's the first one you do. All right. So the next one we have the background returning fresh rate. This is very important, okay? So you go to your setting here, okay? Wait, hold on, we start over. We go to setting, we go to general. And when you're in general, you go to background, okay? Here, background app refreshing. Many people don't do that. Background fresh set to be off, because this one will say here is it done already, that the background refreshing from the apps will be only active when you have Wi-Fi. All right, so you can go here and it will save you another percentage of battery. When you follow all this one, you will get a longer standby time, okay? You can also go here, the display. We don't need all this here. We go over again, let's say here like that. Hold on, go out, you go to setting, you go to display. Here is your things, display and brightness. Automatically, well, you should change your online size time. When you go to here and you say automatically the sensor will be always active. When you go here, this next one is important. Anyway, you should use a darker one. If you have the dark mode, it looks stylish, and second, it saves you so much energy. You look, all this one, when you have the light mode, it must be light produced. A lot of light mean a lot of battery, right? So if you like, go and make dark mode. It keeps your battery much longer, okay? You also can go the location services. So therefore, you go back to your setting, privacy, security, and then you go to location service. Here, location service, okay? While using or never, you must look location service, that you turn it off, because you don't need it. You need it only when you need a Google Maps or whatever, okay? So you turn it off. It will save you another lot of battery. Now we come to the most important from my point of view is you go to setting, notifications. Here, disable the notifications. Here are the apps, okay? You can deactivate these notifications one by one. Why do you need for Google notifications? Allow notifications off. You go, here's a list, okay, and you can check. Do I need notification? No. FaceTime, do you need notification? No, really not. Game Center, banner, sounds, badges. Gmail, yes, you need notification. Line, you need notification. You should be on. Okay, Line is a chat. Messenger, you should have on. Music, you don't need. Phone, of course, must be on because otherwise people cannot call you. The tips, I'm not sure. I don't need that. I don't want to get bothered all day long. Okay. YouTube, I turn off. So when you go over this, the big one is really people use all the social media like Instagram, TikTok. I call it ting tong because it's so crazy. It makes your battery droning. I have seen this for my daughters. 1 hour, 2 hours, battery empty because of that. TikTok don't pay you, so why you should use TikTok notification? They don't pay you to waste your time charging your phone. All right. So I hope these tips are helpful to extend your battery life for really a couple of hours. Hope to see you next time, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.